welcome to my class. In this class we will talk about software part. We can divide the components of computers into two parts. The first one is hardware and the second one is software. Hardware components. The physical parts of the computer is termed as hardware. Monitor, RAM, ROM, hard disk, motherboard, CPU cabinet, and CPU. All these are examples of hardware. Now, what is software? We are going to introduce this particular topic in this class. A computer system consisting of CPU, monitor, keyboard, and mouse cannot do anything on its own. It is the user who instructs computer system what to do, how to do, and when to do a task. In order to perform any task through computer, the user has to give a set of instructions in a particular sequence to the computer. These set of instructions are called as programs. These instructions are written or developed with the help of some programming language such as C, C++, Java, etc. Note, it is the software that instructs the hardware what to display on the screen of the monitor when a user clicks over an icon. Icon is a graphical image such as Windows symbol, Google, Google Maps, Facebook, or WhatsApp. All these are examples of graphical images and we call it as icons. The moment user clicks over an icon, it is the software that instructs the hardware what to display. The meaning of software. Software refers to a set of programs that makes the hardware perform a particular set of tasks in particular order. Meaning of programming and programmers. The process of writing or coding programs is called as programming, and individuals who perform this task, they are called as programmers. The difference between hardware and software, the first point is nature. It is physical in nature. Hardware can be seen, touched, it is physical in nature. Whereas software, it is logical in nature. Second point, visibility. Hardware can be seen. Software cannot be seen. Touchability. Hardware is in physical form and it can be touched. Software is non-physical components of the computer, therefore it cannot be touched. Fourth point is purpose. Hardware devices are required to store and execute the software. Software is collection of instructions that enables a user to interact with the computer. Fifth point, nature of expense. There is one-time expense on the purchase of hardware except when the user goes for upgradation of the hardware. The cost of software is recurring in nature as user keeps buying different software to be used in the computer. Sixth point, lifespan. The lifespan of hardware is limited as it may wear out with consistent use. Since software does not have any physical substance, it does not wear out. Virus, the last point. Hardware part in general is not affected by virus. Whereas when we talk about software, In general, software is affected by virus. Thank you very much.